Most dropshipping profit advice stops at product cost. Buy for $5, sell for $20, keep the difference. But that is not the real cost of dropshipping. The real cost is what happens after the product looks profitable on paper. In ProductLair's data, 57% of 5,943 products are priced under $20. That is where beginners usually start, because cheap products feel safer. But cheap products create a different problem. Products under $15 average 69% margins, which sounds good, but the actual profit is only $7.77 per sale. To match one $170 profit sale, you need 22 of those small orders. That means more ad spend, more support, more refunds, and more chances for something to break. Competition is the other hidden cost. In the curated ProductLair data, 69% of products had very high competition, and 35% landed in the avoid zone, lower margins with higher competition. That is where new sellers get trapped. The product technically has demand, but the margin is too thin and too many stores are already selling it. Some products are even worse. In our curated set, 15 products had negative margins. One product cost $180.74 from the supplier, but competitors were selling it for $139.98. That is a $40.76 loss before ads. So the real question is not, can I mark this product up? It is, how many dollars survive after product cost, shipping, fees, ads, refunds, and failed tests? Before you test a product, check three things: dollar profit, not just margin percentage; competition, before you assume ads will be cheap; and enough room to survive the first failed test. I linked ProductLair's State of Dropshipping report and profit calculator below.